The city of Budapest, located in Hungary, is a charming place offering a rich mix of history, culture and stunning scenery. As the capital and largest city of Hungary, Budapest has become a popular tourist destination for travelers from all over the world. Thanks to its picturesque location on the banks of the Danube River, Budapest boasts a breathtaking landscape that seamlessly combines Buda and Pest, two different parts of the city. The hilly side of Buda is home to iconic landmarks such as Buda Castle, Fisherman's Bastion and Gellért Hill, which offer panoramic views of the city. From the Pest side, visitors can explore attractions such as St. Stephen's Basilica, the Hungarian Parliament building, Heroes Square and Vaci Street, a lively shopping area with many boutiques and cafes. Budapest's tourism industry has boomed in recent years thanks to its rich history and architectural masterpieces. On all the streets of the city you can see stunning examples of Gothic, Renaissance, Baroque, and Art Nouveau. Visitors can admire buildings such as the Matthias Church with its colorful tiled roof, or relax in one of Budapest's famous thermal baths, such as the Széchenyi or Gellert Baths. For those seeking a cultural escape, Budapest offers a variety of museums, including the Hungarian National Museum and the Museum of Fine Arts. The city also hosts numerous music, art and more festivals throughout the year. In conclusion, Budapest is a charming place that combines historical charm with modernity. Its unique combination of architecture, culture and natural beauty makes it an ideal choice for travelers looking to immerse themselves in a truly unforgettable experience.